Hi guys, I've got another paper airplane to show you. All you need is one sheet of A4 or letter size paper. You start with folding the sheet in half as precisely as you can. The corners should meet. You can use your fingernails to fold. Then you unfold. Then you fold one of these corners to the middle. Then the other side. Then you fold it like that. Make sure these two might meet, not like that, not just right in the middle. Just like that. Then you turn the paper and fold this corner again to the middle where the line is. The same with the other side. Now, this part is a bit tricky, so you take this bit and you fold it like that and make sure there's the point like that. The same with the other side. You press it. Then you fold it in half. Just like that. And you turn. And about a quarter of an inch or 1 centimeter, make a fold. Doesn't have to be exactly 1 centimeter or quarter of an inch, just roughly. Just like that. Turn and do the same thing on the other side. Press hard. Then you adjust. Then you fold these bits up. You make like 45 degrees. The same this one. Again, adjust it to about 45 degrees, and then you take this bit and fold it all the way here. And one more time. Just like that. the same thing on the other side. Now that's it. You just have to adjust it. Again, they all should be 45 degrees. That way this makes the plane stable. About that. And that's it. Flies beautifully.